Alright guys, I've rigged up one more experiment here. I took the fuse apart and then I tried to compare it to the quick fuse, so the super quick paper white fuse sold by Pyro Direct. Now, it's about the same thickness. I've had both. This one seems to be a little bit thicker and a little bit more tan instead of a gray. Now, the interesting thing I found out is that the one from Pyro Direct, when Dave from Display Fireworks one took it apart, it looked like it had 2 or 3 pieces of black match, or a thin firecracker fuse. Now this one, being a little bit thicker, I was curious. I took it apart and it has 5 or 6 different strings in it. It has 3 to 4 strings of like a paper firecracker fuse, the quick fuse, and then 2 or 3 strings of black match, which was really weird. I don't know if you could tell on the camera, those darker ones are black match and those thinner, lighter ones are the firecracker fuse. Now I've taped 5 pieces, 1-inch pieces of green visco fuse onto those pieces, see if it ignites it on a 3-inch piece of quick fuse. Now it's about 2.5. This is just a 3-inch piece of the quick fuse with a piece of visco to ignite it, and then a piece of visco to see how well it ignites. First, I'm going to test this one, which is the one with fuse attached to it. So here we go. They're all ignited. Now, the only downside is that it creates a hell of a lot of smoke. Now, that actually worked out surprisingly well. The only problem is they ignite really erratically, and then they ignite slower as that fuse burns. Now hold on one second. I'm just going to, after seeing that and realizing that I almost lit my room on fire, I'm going to tape this last piece of visco fuse down so I don't light my storeroom on fire. So alright, that tape part there is where the second piece of visco is, and that's the first piece of visco in the quick fuse. Yes, so that is extremely fast. And it looks like almost now, I didn't realize I didn't put that in anything, but if you wrap that stuff in masking tape, it will actually burn faster, because that burned like quick match. So there you have it, guys. That and my other video will be up soon, and that kind of gives you a comparison. This is called, again, it's called White Lightning Fuse from Pyro Direct. Not Pyro Direct, rather, sorry, that's a quick fuse. This is White Lightning Fuse from CanonFuse.com. It's $12.99 for a 100-foot roll, which is about the same as they used to sell, but a little bit cheaper than it is now. So, get it?